What is up, you guys? Today it is Saturday. We have somewhere to go later, but tomorrow is my Cars and Coffee. I will be hosting my own Cars and Coffee, and it seems to be there's a decent little interest in it. So I just want to get my car all prepared today. So today is gonna be a little detailed day. Not going crazy, just literally wiping down the interior, doing the windows, and wiping down the exterior and cleaning the wheels and sending it. So I have everything all ready. I'll show you guys. I got a little table set up. I'll be taking a trash can with me for trash. And yeah, we got some chairs, got a table, and then the fiance made me a little paper. So tomorrow we're gonna be serving donuts to everybody. So I'm gonna buy like 5 or 6 dozen donuts. So I'm putting this out, Cars and Coffee donations, with a little tip jar. So yeah, I'm gonna just take some donations, try to recoup some of the money towards the donuts. But yeah, so far it says like 40 people are going, so we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, today is detail day on the GTI. What are you doing? You go vroom vroom? Vroom vroom. Man, it sucks. My dash has been dry for so long that it just keeps absorbing all this moisture. So now it's looking all blotchy. Like if you look, wipe it in, it looks good. And then once it dries up, it's all blotchy. I'm gonna have to wipe it down like 10 times. Just did the windows, did the whole interior. We're all good. Looks pretty good. So now it's time to wipe the outside. I'm gonna try a new product. Usually I use the chemical guys, like speed wipe or ceramic wipe, but I'm all out. So I ended up picking up this stuff. So this is Mother's Ultra Hybrid Ceramic Detailer. It's pretty basic. Literally, it's like a speed wipe. Pretty much just wipe it on, and we'll see how this does. Also, I highly recommend getting this stuff. You literally spray it in your floor mats, spray it on your seats, and it smells so good. I guess we'll let it air out a little bit. Let me see your new shoes. What do your shoes say?
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
They moo moo? Moo.
Show Dada.
Moo.
Go show Dada.
Wow. Wow. That's my vroom vroom.
Ever these yours?
You got moo moos too? Oh, you want to put yours on? You put your moo moos? Is that milk or coffee?
Let me see.
It's
You
a
go
what?
sift?
You got coffee?
Milk.
Oh, it's milk?
Milk.
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 That's milk?
Milk.
Milk. Don't touch, it's yucky. Are you vlogging, Avery?
Ready.
Huh?
Let me do it.
Okay. Watch out, Dad's pulling his car inside. Say thank you.
You don't have to be any cuter.
Come on. Come on. Come on, sissy. We say trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Say trick or treat. Come on. Hold it out.
You say trick or treat.
Say please.
Come on.
We should have worn our peanut butter jelly.
Yeah.
We forgot. Put it on your pumpkin. Do you want to color it? You want to?
Sissy, put it on your pumpkin.
Put it on the pumpkin.
Oh, your straw is stuck to it. Here. You got it. Here, pull. Put it on.
Take it off my finger. Take it. Put it on the pumpkin.
Yeah, that's okay.
Like on the wall.
Oh, yeah. Get you a chalk right there and draw wherever you want.
Dang, girl.
You got muscles?